The state Senate unanimously passed a bill prohibiting landlords in the state from banning medically necessary emotional support animals. If enacted in Florida, this bill means landlords could ask people with emotional support animals to document the need, but people wouldn't be able to simply download a certification from a website. They need the certification from a healthcare professional. People falsely or fraudulently claiming the need for an emotional support animal could face up to 60 days in jail and a $500 fine. There's a similar bill awaiting approval in the House right now. Katie Johnston for CBSMiami.com.